5 years into his career as a wicketkeeper batsman, Dhoni stepped into the role of leading the Indian team in the World Cup at South Africa. This was a team that had set players like Virendra Sehwag, Gautam Gambhir, Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh. Not only did he win that T20 World Cup, he led India to World Cup victory in the 50-over format, ICC Champions Trophy and even the #1 ranking in Tests, a format from which he retired 2 years back. He captained India in 199 ODIs, winning 110 of them, giving him a win percentage of more than 55. No other Indian captain in the past has these many wins. The announcement of his stepping down from captaincy did come as a shock, but Dhoni has proved time and again that he is unconventional. His unpredictability made him one of the best captains India had. Today, Simli Chuma is listing out the top 5 reasons why MS Dhoni will be missed as a captain. Number 5. Enjoying from behind. Dhoni is a team player. Even as a captain, he always watched out for his team. If anybody fooled around with his teammates, he would step in and back them up.
Just had a look at the batsman in terms of where he was running. Look at that. And, that's not the right way. I think he immediately knew that. Rohit Sharma is telling the bowler that he was coming in his way.
No wonder he commanded their respect.
Game, different role altogether. Oh, see.
The strong man, Dhoni, I think I know who will come off the worst for it, but I think the young bowler's got to be careful here because it's the second time he's come in the way of the batsman. That happened with Rohit Sharma as well. I think he'll be hurt because you run round me.
Well,
that is the problem.
Yeah, I think so, because he was never going to stop the ball. In fact, his follow through has to be on the on the leg side, on the onside. I mean, he cannot come in the way of the batsman there. I don't think there's any issue as far as MS Dhoni is concerned.
What has been very interesting to notice over the years is Dhoni's ability to pull back when the team celebrated. The man led from the front and stood at the back when the champagne bottle was opened. Number 4. The voice behind the stumps. Dhoni is a spectacular wicketkeeper, always alert with super swift reflexes, stumping the batsman in the blink of an eye.
He's in the air and he's done it again. MS Dhoni, lightning MS Dhoni has done it again.
And sometimes running them out even without looking. While we still have opportunities to enjoy these, his comments as a captain to his teammates recorded by the stump mic will be missed. And Dhoni had a way of egging his men on with some rather interesting remarks.
Right area.
तो इधर पुजारा को उसी के लिए रखा है, उधर ताली बजाने के लिए नहीं है। ओ श्री, उधर गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है, इधर आजा थोड़ा।
Number 3. The boss of the media. Dhoni was a lion when it came to press conferences. Nothing could ruffle his cool and confidence. He always had an interesting reply to every question posed to him. He could be cheeky if the journalist stretched his or her luck.
क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपको खुशी नहीं हुई कि इंडिया जीत गया। नहीं सुनिए, बात सुनिए। आपकी आवाज़ से, आपके टोन के, आपके सवाल से ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको खुशी नहीं हुई है कि इंडिया जीत गया है, ठीक है। और जहाँ तक क्रिकेट की मैच की बात की जाए तो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होता है। इट्स नॉट अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट। आपको एनालाइज करना होता है कि हम टॉस हारने के बाद जिस विकेट में हमने बैटिंग की थी, क्या कारण था कि हम ज़्यादा रन नहीं बता पाए। अगर आप ये सारी चीज़ें बाहर बैठ के एनालाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो यू शुडंट आस्क दीस क्वेश्चंस।
Some of his press interactions will be as memorable as his performance on field.
नहीं, होता क्या है ना कि हेलीकॉप्टर जब उड़ता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर जगह में हेलीकॉप्टर उड़ता है। अगर आप समुद्र में चले जाएंगे और सबमरीन के अंदर बोलेंगे यहाँ हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं उड़ रहा है तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगी। यू हैव टू सी व्हाट आर द प्लान्स। हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट एक ऐसा शॉट है जो एक पर्टिकुलर डिलीवरी पे खेला जाता है। अगर वो डिलीवरी नहीं डाली जाएगी तो मैं बाउंसर पे हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट नहीं मार सकता हूँ। मे भी स्टूल लेके जाऊं, स्टूल के ऊपर खड़ा हो जाऊं, वो बाउंसर मारे तो हेलीकॉप्टर मार सकता हूं। बट एज ऑफ नाउ जिस तरीके का ऑपोजिशन का जो भी उनका स्ट्रैटेजी है, उस स्ट्रैटेजी में हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट मारना मुश्किल है। हाँ, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ वो आउटसाइड ऑफ यॉर्कर मारे, मैं नेक्स्ट टर्म के बाहर अपना हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट प्रैक्टिस करता रहूं तो उसमें रन।
Number 2. Captain Cool. It is not without reason that he is called that. In the most intense situations, Dhoni kept his composure intact. Whatever be the pressure or the outcome, he rarely let it show on his face. There have, of course, been situations when anger was written all over his face.
Dhoni doesn't like that. Pushed the red instead of the green. It's created something though, that's the problem. When you hit the wrong button, he's got Dhoni fuming now because Dhoni thought that was out for all money. You could see his body language.
And when that happened, people steered clear of him. But never did he let anger get the better of the gentleman that he is. Number 1, the strategist or maverick. Dhoni has been known to play maverick. His last-minute decisions to change the field or the batting lineup or change the bowler have often raised eyebrows. He once threw his gloves off and bowled medium pace at Lord's. In the 2007 ICC World T20, he asked Joginder Sharma, the least known and experienced of the Indian bowlers, to bowl the last over in the nerve-wracking final against Pakistan. Similarly, in 2011 World Cup final, he promoted himself in the batting order ahead of the in-form Yuvraj Singh, to the astonishment not just of experts, but also his own dressing room. Most often the cynics had to swallow their cynicism as his whims turned into well-thought-out strategies that won him the matches. Dhoni took several risks, but more often than not, they yielded results, taking Indian cricket to a whole new level. As we salute this self-made, unconventional leader who was grounded in mental strength and elevated the sport itself, we look forward to watching him play for many years to come.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No.
Looking at me running?
Very fast.
You think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure. Yes, sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
We hope you liked this video. If yes, please don't forget to press the like and share button. Stay tuned to Simply Chumma for more interesting videos.